Quick setup. Enable administration and grant permission. Now for a quick test, enable notification, pull notification down, and tap on it to instantly lock the device. When you wake up the device, depending on ROM configuration, you may or may not be able to use biometric sensors. If this is the case, enable Fix Biometric Unlock and grant permission. Now, pull down the notification and tap on Smart Lock option to lock the device. Now, if you try to unlock with fingerprint or iris sensor, it should be working. Customize notification appearance to stand out. Change icon design, metallic or material depending on your choice. Change the colors as you need. You can also change background and text color to make it even more interesting. You can also pin widgets on home screen for quick access. Adjust the icon design and also select the lock type as admin lock or smart lock. Tap on OK to finish configuration. You can place multiple widgets with different design and different lock type for convenience. Revisit the widget section, and you can update the icon design by tapping on them. Similarly, shortcuts can also be created, but let's first delete widgets to clean up home screen. Tap on Shortcut Preference in Configuration screen. Select the lock type and adjust the icon design if you like to. Tap on OK to finish. On Add to Home Screen dialog, tap on Add button, or tap and hold the icon to take the shortcut to home screen. You can create one more shortcut with a different lock type. Only 2 shortcuts are allowed to be pinned because of Google's policy restriction. Revisit the shortcut section to update the icon design if you want to. If pinning shortcut or widget is not working for the Android version you have, or because of no support from launcher, there is an alternative available. Long press on home screen. Get inside widget section of the launcher. Look for screen lock widgets. Tap and hold to bring the desired feature to home screen. can further enhance the device locking experience inside personalization section. Various animations to choose from. Preview the selected animation. Also can adjust the speed of animation. Enable vibration for a feedback. Adjust the strength of vibration as needed. Select the point of vibration as animation end, screen off, or after device locked, often useful if using smart lock option, and there is long delay in actual device locking because of ROM configuration. Can enable sound as well. Approve the required permission. Now you can select any notification sound, or any custom sound depending on your choice. Select the start point of sound. To make the animation more realistic, often animation start is selected by most users. Similarly, unlock sound can also be selected. Enable and select the sound file as needed. Lock or unlock sound volume is dependent on notification sound volume. Notification sound as set is taken as 100%, and further you can adjust the volume with the slider.